ditch the band. I'm KimmieGee and I'm a professional dancer. In my own words, I would describe my hair as thick, puffy, kinky, and beautiful. My hair has been in this current state for about 15 years. I tried perms and they wouldn't try me. So I have been natural for 15 years, a little over 15 years. So my makeshift process of putting my hair up into ponytails and Afro puffs by cutting things up was stressful. You would think that it's a pile of garbage or a pile of clothes or rags, but really they were my hair ties. So I would have to try and be creative to get my hair nice and tight in two ponytails. But after discovering the puff cut, it's so simple. I don't have to cut anything up. I can throw all of that away. It's just a gather, clip, and go. So since discovering the PuffCuff, my experience doing my hair is a breeze in the morning. Usually I have to get up nice and early, blow dry my hair, slick my edges down, find my makeshift headbands, but now everything is laid out. I just gather and go. It's so quick, it's so easy, and my hair is still very full. My edges aren't stressed. I'm not stressed. It's just so simple, and sometimes simple is the best way. So if somebody was on the fence about giving the PuffCuff a try, I would first of all take it out my hair, because I guarantee you it would be in my hair. I would take it out and say, look, come here, let me show you how easy this is. Gather my hair and clip and blow them away, because it's something you want to try. It's something that you're so intrigued by, but once you see how easy and how effective it is, you're automatically sold. And then to get into the different sizes and to see the different outcomes, they make such a difference, and you're not stressed. So to start your day, to do your hair in the morning and not be stressed, that's one less thing you have to worry about. So to that person, I would say, hey, what you got in your hair right now? Let me show you what I got in my hair. Let me show you how I get my puffs like this. And I guarantee you, they might walk away with the one I have.